In Green Valley, every sunrise brought hope. Good morning, my son.
I want to help.
Come with me. Every plant needs care.
I'll do my best.
Well done, Ethan.
I'm learning, Dad.
Hard work builds strong hearts.
I'm learning every day.
Lunch is ready.
Let's eat together.
Let's eat together.
Family is our greatest treasure. Love made every meal special. A farmer plants hope.
I understand, Dad.
Many days passed, but no rain came.
Dad, will they survive?
We must keep hoping.
Are you worried, Dad?
Yes, but never hopeless. Hope begins with hard work. Thank you, Ethan.
We'll save them.
Help was finally coming. We're here to help. Thank you, Tom. Neighbors worked as one family.
Dad, look.
Rain clouds.
Finally, the rain arrived.
They'll grow again.
We never gave up.
Hard work brought a beautiful harvest.
The whole village celebrated together.
We're proud of you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Thank you all so much.
Hope and hard work changed everything. They walked home with grateful hearts. With grateful hearts.
I'm proud, Dad.
So am I, son.
I'll become a farmer.
You'll make me proud. Hard work grows hope. And kindness grows forever.
What lesson inspired you most? Tell us below.